Hello, people of the internet world. I'm Dave. I'm over here with Danny.
Hi guys.
Can you see her? She's right there. Anyway, today is commercial shoot day, which means there's some other commercial.
Yep.
That's what commercial shoot day means. But we're gonna take you guys inside and show you exactly what's going on behind the scenes as usual, because why not, right?
Why not?
Exactly. All right, guys, stand by. Check it out. And 3, 2, 1.
Very brave tonight.
It's my turn.
But you went last time. Come on, Mom! Don't you have the first part of this?
Okay, so.
Yeah, I agree. I don't think you're going to sell it.
Oh, you see the red carpet back there.
I think you get the point across. Okay, but otherwise, I think it's. You see that?
Next display.
Saving the world ain't easy. So the guys are cooling out right now between takes. We're getting ready to shoot a different commercial. It's gonna be the Planet Honda Awards commercial. That one is going up on next month, I think. Sometime like that, I think. It's going up sometime in the next 2 months. You guys will see it. Either way. You heard the honking? I thought I was getting run over for a second. Last thing we need right now. Anyway, I'm going around the other side because they're filming the intro right now, and the door is locked, and I accidentally got locked out.
15.
Guys, I see Planet Boy. Planet Boy. Honda Boy. Planet Man.
Honda boy.
There we go.
Volunteer as tribute.
So, he corrected me. We got Dave over here.
Hello.
He's trying to film.
That's right.
Trying.
Little dead cat.
Trying.
Right?
Yeah?
Really well.
Who's got the big girl?
Sue's cat. Don't tell her.
Okay.
I was surprised they didn't ask me to star in this commercial. It's kind of shocking.
They only let stars star in the commercial,
A
guys.
little disappointed, actually. Yeah.
You weren't invited. That's okay.
I showed up late. I think that's the reason why. I showed up a little late. If I was here like when they first started, 100% I would have been in it.
Oh, okay. That's wonderful. Hey, Mr. C, how we doing over here?
All right, bud. How's it going?
We're all done?
All done.
All right, it's a wrap.
Bonus time.
How we
Help me
doing
get
over here?
undressed.
Oh, great. Oh, no. Wait a minute. So, what's happening right now is we have these guys, they come in every 2 weeks or so, I think, and they clean off all the cars. They come with this truck, they have all this equipment in here, and they spray the cars down, and they hose them, and they power wash them, basically, and then they dry them off a little bit. So, yeah, when you guys come in for a test drive, all of our cars are looking crispy and clean in the parking lot. We have so many of them, it's kind of impossible for us to keep up. We're keeping them nice and clean for you guys. So that's where these guys come in. They show up with this truck back here. It's got a ton of equipment in it, and they hose them down for us. So guys, I just got word that one of our technicians in the body shop is basically putting together this truck. From what I heard, this truck got into an accident, and instead of totaling the truck out, the insurance company decided they were gonna fix it. And so this dude has the truck in pieces. He's got like the engine apart, the top part of the truck, and the frame. It's all separated, but it looks really cool. And I'm gonna take you guys inside to take a look at it and check it out. Let's go. So basically, see the way this part is straight? That's normal, that's the way it should look. But look at this guy. It's all crooked and bent. That's not normal, so this entire thing is gonna have to be replaced. And that's where all this work is coming in. Anyway guys, obviously I don't know exactly what's happening here, but all I know is this truck is in a million pieces and these guys are putting it back together. But to help me figure it out, we got Danny here.
How you doing?
He's gonna help me figure this thing out. What on earth is going on, bro?
Well, this car got pretty bad in the front. We had the whole frame of the vehicle, which is going to be replacing it shortly. It's going to be transferring all the parts that we have from the frame onto the new frame. And basically, it's a complete job. We have to take out both cabin and the bed to get this job even remotely done with all the mechanical aspects of it, electrical. Everything has to come off just so we can get this big chunk of metal right here off and put a new one and have everything that's on here that's attached right now replaced and put onto the new one as well.
So pretty much you guys are rebuilding a whole new truck.
Essentially, yes. It's going to be rebuilt almost like it was from factory.
That is insane. I had no idea we were even capable of doing this kind of work here.
Look, I haven't done, this is my first experience with this as well. This is the first time I'm doing it. My counterpartner Dave has had a couple of times he's done this as well. Our great mechanic here, Luke and Mario, have done this a couple of times, so that's why they're both on the job on this one. They're the experienced techs when it comes to this. We'll have the end product in about a week or two.
You're telling me all this is going to be done in a week?
I'd say the mechanical aspect of it will probably be done by the end of the week, and then we're looking at body another week and paint. So hopefully it's 2 weeks total. End of the month we'll be hopefully this will be out in the street ready for delivery.
All right. Well, I'll tell you what. I'm gonna check up on the progress of it. Let me see. Am I focused? Yeah. We're gonna come back and we're gonna check the progress of this truck. Obviously, you see the way it is right now. It's in pieces. It doesn't even look like a truck, honestly. It looks like
It's like a Lego block over here.
yeah, basically, it looks like a Lego block with wheels. But when these guys get through it, it's gonna look like an actual truck. They're repainting it. They're doing electrical engineering.
Yeah, electrical, mechanical, everything.
That's insane. Wow. Unbelievable. The work we do here at Planet Honda. I work here for how many years and I've never seen this happen before. That's insane. Guys, so right behind me is where the body shop is. They're working on that truck. And I've got Danny over here as well right behind me. Somewhere back there. But anyway, I want to show you guys real quick. Look at what's happening behind over here. We've got all these cars coming in. And this is where they work on them. They come in as regular Hondas. And then they become certified Honda, certified pre-owned Honda vehicles. Is that how you say it? Certified. They become certified pre-owned. This guy, Chris, is the one that works on them. Goes through the whole process of reconditioning them, brakes. What else do you do, Chris? Brakes, engine, oil,
Shocks, brakes, tires,
shocks, tires,
filters,
filters. Filters what?
any filters that are in it.
It's a lot of work to make a car certified, but all of these cars right here, they're all certified now. And after this, they go to the wash. They get cleaned up. Look at that. Not this guy. This guy's a TSX or some sort of an Acura. Can't certify that guy. But this guy over here, certified. Lots of Accords. We have a lot of Accords going on right now. But these are all certified Hondas. So when you guys look on the internet and you want a certified Honda, this is where it happens right here.